Hook. One piece of news quietly hit the crypto market this week, and almost nobody talked about what it actually means for prices until now. Intro. Welcome to Signal Seeker, covering the 3 stories that actually matter, not just headlines, but the real market implications. Subscribe for daily coverage. Story 1 ***. The SEC's ruling on spot ETF applications. What happened? The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has issued a report that outlines its stance on the approval of spot ETFs. The SEC has denied the applications from 2 of the largest players in the crypto space, Grayscale Investments and Bitmain, citing concerns about market manipulation and lack of transparency. Who are the key players? The SEC, Grayscale Investments, Bitmain, and various cryptocurrency exchanges and funds. Why do most people misread the significance? Many analysts and crypto enthusiasts mistakenly believe that a denial of spot ETFs means the SEC is shutting down the entire cryptocurrency market. They fail to understand that spot ETFs are just one type of financial instrument and do not represent the broader ecosystem. What does this mean specifically for BTC, ETH, or the broader market in the next 30-90 days? This ruling could potentially have a neutral to slightly negative impact on the broader market. Without regulated and transparent spot ETFs, there may be increased regulatory scrutiny of the cryptocurrency industry, leading to increased volatility. However, the underlying demand for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is likely to remain strong. Bullish or bearish? Neutral to slightly bearish. The SEC's ruling on spot ETF applications does not fundamentally change the long-term prospects for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, but it may cause some short-term volatility. The market may see increased regulatory scrutiny and potentially increased competition as other players seek to fill the void left by the denied applications. Story 2 ***. This week, the blockchain world was rocked by the announcement of Ethereum's latest protocol upgrade, named EIP 4844. This upgrade, expected to be rolled out later this year, introduces a new feature called sharding, which aims to significantly increase the network's throughput and scalability. This development is expected to have a profound impact on the Ethereum ecosystem. Sharding will split the network into smaller, more manageable parts, each handling specific types of transactions. This should reduce congestion, lower transaction fees, and allow for more users to interact with the network simultaneously. Consequently, this could lead to a surge in Ethereum's adoption as businesses and individuals seek to take advantage of the network's growing capabilities. However, many are missing a critical aspect of this upgrade. The transition to sharding will also require significant changes to Ethereum's staking mechanism. As a result, many of the current validators may not be able to participate, leading to a potential shakeup in the consensus mechanism. This could result in short-term volatility as the network adjusts to the new protocol. In terms of trading implications, the most notable impact is likely to be on Ethereum's price. As the network becomes more efficient and accessible, we may see a significant increase in demand for ETH, potentially leading to a rise in its price. However, the transition to sharding could also introduce some short-term volatility as investors and traders grapple with the implications of these changes. One specific asset that stands to benefit from this development is DeFi Decentralized finance. With Ethereum's improved scalability and efficiency, DeFi platforms may see a surge in activity and innovation. This could lead to an increase in the value of DeFi assets, such as stablecoins and decentralized exchanges, as more users seek to take advantage of the new protocol. In conclusion, Ethereum's protocol upgrade, sharding, is set to revolutionize the blockchain industry. While it presents significant opportunities for growth and innovation, it will also require careful management to avoid short-term volatility and ensure the network's long-term success. Story 3, 2 min, 200 words, In an unprecedented move, the Federal Reserve announced a surprise rate hike, signaling a potential shift towards a more restrictive monetary policy. This announcement caught the crypto community off guard, as many had been expecting a dovish stance to support the digital asset market. However, the Fed's decision has caused a significant volatility in crypto prices, with major cryptocurrencies experiencing sharp drops. This development is causing a rift in the crypto community, with some investors and analysts urging for a more cautious approach to trading, while others are betting on a recovery. The connection to crypto prices that mainstream media gets wrong is their focus on the Fed's announcement as a definitive indicator of the crypto market's future. Instead, it's the overall market sentiment and investor psychology that plays a more crucial role in determining crypto prices. The Fed's decision has not only affected the crypto market, but has also raised concerns about the impact on the broader economy, which could have implications for crypto adoption and investment. Contra Ryan take 1 min, 100 words, After analyzing the three stories, I would say that this week's news is net bearish for the crypto market. The Fed's surprise rate hike is likely to increase the cost of borrowing, making it more expensive for companies and individuals to invest in crypto. Additionally, the broader economic implications of the Fed's decision could lead to increased market volatility, which is not favorable for crypto. While there may be some short-term buying opportunities, the overall sentiment remains bearish for the crypto market. CTA ***. Like the video, subscribe, check Smooth Operator Pro at Disputii, app/Signals Pro/ and comment about which story matters most. Join our community and get personalized trading signals and analysis. Outro ***. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay sharp, trade smart.